Are you ready to discover the hybrid engines that promised innovation, but turned into true nightmares on wheels? Today, we're going to reveal the 20 worst hybrid engines ever made, cars that left their owners with their hands tied and frustration behind the wheel. From surprising efficiency promises to alarming mechanical failures, each of these models tells a story of disappointment. Prepare to be surprised and, who knows, avoid a purchase that could be very expensive. You won't want to miss this epic list of walking bombs. We start our list at number 20, Honda Accord Hybrid 2.0L. The Honda Accord Hybrid 2.0L, launched in 2014, promised efficiency, but faced a storm of reliability issues, leaving many owners frustrated. Expectations were crushed right at the start of the 8th generation Accord. Equipped with a 2.0 Li4 engine and CVT transmission, the Accord generated a combined output of 196 horsepower. But this power turned into a headache for many car lovers, who expected more than just numbers. After 100,000 kilometers, reports of engine failures began to emerge. Owners were on the verge of collapse with mechanical problems, causing the Honda Accord Hybrid to become a real bomb on the road. The model has become a negative reference, a hybrid engine to avoid. If you're thinking about purchasing one, remember, what glitters isn't always gold, and the Accord 2.0L is proof of that. At number 19, Toyota Camry Hybrid 2.5L. The 2.5L Camry Hybrid, introduced in 2012, seemed like the perfect choice for those looking for efficiency. However, many drivers soon realized that the promise soon turned into a nightmare with significant mechanical problems. This 2.5 Li4 engine, mated to a CVT transmission, has a combined output of 208 horsepower. The problem is that the real power it delivers left many drivers frustrated, especially when trying to overtake. An alarming problem affecting this model is battery failure, with many reports of problems even in cars with less than 80,000 kilometers. Did you know that this is one of the reasons for so many recalls? Unfortunately, the Camry Hybrid has become a textbook example of how trust can be destroyed. Several owners have noticed that their engine failed quickly, shortly after the warranty ended, leaving a bitter taste in their mouth. At number 18, Ford Fusion Hybrid 2.0L. The 2.0L Ford Fusion Hybrid, launched in 2010, promised to be a fuel economy revolution, but in reality, it let many drivers down with its flawed track record. A real disappointment on wheels. Equipped with a 2.0 Li4 engine and a CVT transmission, the Fusion had a combined output of 191 horsepower. A promising number on the technical sheet, but this translated into love stories lost in mechanic workshops. After just 60,000 kilometers of normal use, alarming reports of critical failures emerged. Drivers were stunned to discover their economical hybrid turning into an unexpected mechanical nightmare. The Ford Fusion Hybrid 2.0L has become a case study on mechanics forums. Several reports of problems have surfaced, making it the frequent topic of discussion among enthusiasts and mechanics concerned about this walking bomb. At number 17, Nissan Altima Hybrid 2.5L. The Nissan Altima Hybrid 2.5L, launched in 2007, quickly became the target of criticism. What should have been an innovative model ended up becoming a headache for the owners. Equipped with a 2.5 Li4 engine and a CVT transmission, this hybrid promised a combined output of 198 horsepower, but what he really delivered was frustration. Unfortunately, this engine did not stand out for its durability. It tended to fail in less than 70,000 kilometers, leaving many owners on the road with problems. Due to constant failures, the Nissan Altima Hybrid was discontinued, proving that hybrid technology is not always the dream solution. At number 16, Chevrolet Malibu Hybrid 2.4L. The Chevrolet Malibu Hybrid, launched in 2008, has had a turbulent trajectory. With a promising proposal, it quickly became the target of complaints about the engine's reliability, leaving many drivers disappointed and frustrated. Equipped with a 2.4 Li4 engine and a CVT transmission, the Malibu had a combined output of 182 horsepower. Although it promised efficiency, many drivers questioned whether the performance was worth the promise of savings. Reports of engines failing after just 50,000 kilometers have left owners on alert. For many, the Malibu Hybrid seemed more like a walking bomb than a reliable vehicle on the roads. Danger in sight. Over time, the model became a forgotten memory on the market. Without gaining popularity, The Malibu Hybrid served as a warning about the pitfalls of hybridization, using technology that did not meet the expectations of motorsports fans. At number 15, Hyundai Sonata Hybrid 2.0. The Hyundai Sonata Hybrid 2.0L, launched in 2011, seemed to be the solution for those looking for efficiency. But little did we know that this engine was about to betray our dreams of economical driving. With a 2.0 Li4 engine and a CVT transmission, combined power reached 193 horsepower. On paper, it sounded promising, but in practice, it was like a tired horse in the race. After 80,000 kilometers, many drivers faced fatigue from the hybrid system. It was like watching a car take its last breath, leaving owners frustrated and without answers. Reports of an engine change earlier than expected flooded the networks. Who would have thought that the Sonata would be nicknamed the walking bomb? A real disappointment in the world of hybrids. At number 14, Kia Optima Hybrid 2.0L. The Kia Optima Hybrid 2.0L, launched in 2011, was marked by its disappointing durability. Many drivers felt frustrated by the lack of reliability of this model, which was supposed to be a technological advance. Equipped with a 2.0 Li4 engine and a CVT transmission, its combined output of 192 horsepower was unimpressive. Instead of a smooth ride, many drivers have experienced a feeling of insecurity under the hood. Unfortunately, the engine started having problems after just 70 to 80,000 kilometers. For many, this meant an investment in expensive repairs, making this car a real nightmare on the roads. Due to its low performance and frequency of failures, the Kia Optima Hybrid was on lists of models to avoid. Many have called him a walking bomb among hybrids, and not without reason. At number 13, Toyota Prius 1.5 litro. The Toyota Prius C, launched in 2012, promised to be the compact version of the iconic Prius. However, many drivers soon realized that this promise came at a high price, poor performance and mechanical problems that left consumers disappointed. Equipped with a 1.5 Li4 engine and CVT transmission, the Prius C offered a combined output of just 99 horsepower. It was like a marathon runner who tired after the first lap, disappointing for many who sought efficiency on the roads. One of the biggest nightmares of this model was battery failure, which often left drivers stranded before even completing 100,000 kilometers. This has made the Prius C more of a nightmare hidden in traffic than an ecological dream. Ultimately, this version of the Prius became one of the first to be looked down upon by consumers. After promising expectations, the Prius C left many wondering, had Toyota lost the magic of hybrids? At number 12, Infiniti QX60 Hybrid 3.5L. The Infiniti QX60 Hybrid, launched in 2014, promised luxury and efficiency, but disappointed consumers with serious reliability issues. What should have been a premium option has become a real headache. Equipped with a 3.5 LV6 engine and a CVT transmission, the QX60 offers a combined output of 250 horsepower, but this strength is not a sign of success. What happened to this giant of the road? Drivers have reported an alarming pattern: engine failures after just 60,000 kilometers. How can such a luxurious vehicle be so fragile? The promises did not materialize, and it's no surprise that the QX60 frequently appeared on recall lists, being known for its mechanical failures. Will he be remembered as the walking bomb of the hybrid category? A true automobile tragedy. At number 11, Honda Insight 1.5L. The Honda Insight, launched in 1999, was one of Honda's first steps towards hybrids. But with a history full of problems, many see it more as an experiment than a successful innovation. Equipped with a 1.5 Li4 engine and CVT transmission, the Insight offered a combined output of just 110 horsepower. A machine that promised efficiency, but left something to be desired in terms of performance. The Insight's battery and engine systems were known to fail after just 90,000 kilometers. Imagine the frustration of those who believed in this ecological dream, only to see the engine failing prematurely. The story of the Honda Insight is a reminder that not every hybrid is a viable solution. For many, that car was more of a test than a real answer to the needs of a sustainable vehicle on the market. At number 10, Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid 3.6L. Launched in 2017, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid looked promising, but it quickly became a nightmare for many drivers. Problems started early, leaving owners in a frustrating dilemma between comfort and reliability. Equipped with a 3.6L V6 engine and CVT, this hybrid offers a combined power of 260 horsepower, but is this strength enough to leave failures behind? Spoiler, it's not. Often drivers do not encounter reliable performance. With less than 50,000 kilometers, performance problems are frequent. Did you know that many owners reported massive failures? This left the Chrysler Pacifica hybrid with a negative reputation and a permanent place on the most avoided list. This model is often mentioned among cars to be avoided by attentive consumers, so if you're considering a hybrid, you might want to look away from the Pacifica and look for more reliable options. At number 9, Mazda CX-25 Hybrid. The Mazda CX-25 Hybrid, launched in 2021, has embarked on a troubled journey with its engine. It presented promises of efficiency, but it soon became clear that the reality was very different. Let's find out what went so wrong. Equipped with a 2.5 Li4 engine and CVT transmission, the Mazda CX-5 Hybrid is designed to offer a smooth and economical drive. But that dream has become a nightmare for many drivers, with problems piling up quickly. Users have frequently reported failures under 50,000 kilometers. Imagine investing in a car and, in such a short period of time, having to deal with unexpected breakdowns and maintenance. Not exactly what you'd expect from a hybrid, right? Faced with poor initial performance and growing dissatisfaction, Mazda decided to discontinue its hybrid line. A devastating blow for those who believed that the brand was ready to lead the future of hybrid cars. At number 8, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 2.5L. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, launched in 2016, didn't just stand out for its fuel economy. We hear a lot of complaints about the engine's durability, making many wonder if the efficiency is really worth the price to pay for its reliability. Equipped with a 2.5 Li4 engine and a CVT, this hybrid delivers a combined power of 219 horsepower, but don't let the power fool you. Many drivers felt that the performance did not live up to its promises. After around 80,000 kilometers, problems started to appear. Motor and battery failed, turning ecological dreams into mechanical nightmares. Do you think a hybrid that doesn't deliver longevity is worth it? Compared to non-hybrid versions, the RAV4 Hybrid has received harsh criticism. Drivers ask themselves, how could a car that promises sustainability fail so miserably to deliver similar performance? At number 7, Volvo XC90 Hybrid T8. The Volvo XC90 Hybrid T8, launched in 2016, promises to revolutionize SUVs, but did he fulfill his role? Unfortunately, significant flaws have overshadowed its qualities, leaving drivers frustrated and disappointed. Equipped with a 2.0 Li4 engine and an electric motor, this hybrid reaches an incredible 400 horsepower of combined power. But, after all, is this modern engineering worth it? See how expectations can turn into disappointment. Unfortunately, many owners reported serious problems after 50 to 70,000 kilometers. Enough reasons to ask, is it worth risking your trust in such a problematic engine? The answer may surprise you. With a high price, expectations were very high. However, the lack of reliability left many consumers disappointed. They expected more from a top-of-the-line SUV, but the XC90 Hybrid T8 delivered a real bomb. At number 6, Lexus RX 450h. The Lexus RX 450 Hours, launched in 2010, is known for its elegant design and premium features. However, many drivers say that its reputation for sophistication comes with durability that leaves something to be desired. Get ready. Equipped with a 3.5L V6 engine, this SUV offers a combined power of 308 horsepower. But will this strength on the road make up for the failures that will come? It's a powerful car, and problematic. After just 60,000 kilometers, many owners faced critical hybrid system failures. That's right, serious problems that can let anyone down. Have you heard this warning? For those who don't want to face these nightmares, the solution may be to carry out regular and preventive checks. It's worth taking the time to take care of your Lexus and avoid headaches in the future. At number 5, Porsche Cayenne Hybrid. The Porsche Cayenne Hybrid, launched in 2010, looked like a car lover's dream, robust performance and fuel efficiency. But unfortunately, this dream quickly turned into a nightmare due to recurring failures. With a 3.0 LV6 engine combined with an electric motor, it offered an impressive power of 416 horsepower. On paper, it was a perfect union, but in practice, it left many drivers wondering, where did the promise of efficiency go? Unfortunately, after 50,000 kilometers, many owners faced serious failures. What should be a symbol of innovation has turned into a mechanical nightmare, leading drivers to question their purchasing choices. What about maintenance bills? They fired. Homeowners found themselves spending a fortune on repairs. The Porsche Cayenne Hybrid, instead of being an icon, has become a warning about the automotive industry's unfulfilled promises. At number 4, Acura MDX Hybrid. The Acura MDX Hybrid, launched in 2017, was notable for serious battery and engine problems. Owners have reported a number of failures, making this model notorious for creating frustration rather than delivering expected efficiency. Equipped with a 3.0 LV6 engine and a CVT transmission, the MDX Hybrid promised a combined output of 321 horsepower. But with a magical performance on the shelves, on the road it was a very different story. Unfortunately, fault systems began to appear shortly after the first 30,000 kilometers. This raised serious questions about quality and reliability, making many wonder if it was worth it. After these frustrating experiences, many consumers decided to switch to alternative brands. After all, who wants to ride with a walking bomb when there are safer options on the market? Now, we come to our top 3 on our list. BMW i3. The BMW i3, launched in 2013, promised to revolutionize transportation with its electric hybrid combination. But don't be fooled, this innovation faced serious reliability issues that left many drivers frustrated. Equipped with an electric motor and a 0.6L gasoline engine, the i3 offered a combined output of 170 horsepower. Despite its modern appearance, this car had more dark secrets under its hood than we could imagine. Imagine having a car that has battery problems before it even reaches 50,000 kilometers. This was a reality for many i3 owners, who felt cheated by underwhelming performance. And if you've heard about recalls, get ready. Many BMW i3 units have been withdrawn from the market for safety reasons. The promise of a reliable hybrid quickly turned into a disappointment for drivers. At number 2, GMC Sierra Hybrid 6.0. The GMC Sierra Hybrid 6.0L, launched in 2009, wasn't exactly the American dream it promised to be. Instead of being a revolutionary truck, it became a true nightmare in its category, leaving many drivers disappointed. With a 6.0 LV8 engine, the Sierra had a combined output of 332 horsepower. Surprising, right? But calm down, this strength could barely be sustained in a model that proved disappointing on the roads. Owners reported failures after just 60,000 kilometers. Imagine investing in a powerful machine and seeing your confidence crumble in the blink of an eye. What happened to GMC's promised reliability? With so many failures, sales of GMC hybrid models plummeted. The brand that should be synonymous with strength is now remembered for an engine that discouraged many from venturing into hybrids, a sad legacy. And now, first on our list, Dodge Durango Hybrid. The Dodge Durango Hybrid, introduced in 2004, is often considered the worst hybrid ever made. Many drivers have been disappointed to see their promises of performance and fuel economy crumble like a house of cards. Equipped with a 5.7 LV8 engine, the Durango offered a combined power of 370 horsepower. But this power was accompanied by problems that left even the most enthusiasts frustrated. Was the performance worth the headaches? Engine problems and electrical failures were common just after 30,000 kilometers. What was supposed to be a hopeful look at the future of hybrids ended up becoming a true nightmare on wheels for many owners. It has become an urban legend among mechanics and consumers due to its constant breakdowns. A horror story in the workshops, the Dodge Durango Hybrid became synonymous with dubious durability and therefore received the title of walking bomb in the category. And so we come to the end of our list of the 20 worst hybrid engines ever made. We hope you learned something new and had fun with these stories of automotive frustrations. Which of these engines is your favorite? Or maybe you know some other engine that should be on this list? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any news. Until next time.